In part 1, we tried resetting the logic board. Then we applied power to the notebook, but the battery removed. The notebook still wouldn't power on. In addition, the battery wasn't being charged. At this point, the prime suspect is the AC-DC adapter with its massive cabling. In addition to powering the notebook, it also charges the battery. It needs to be tested, but first we need to know what we're going to be looking for. The AC-DC adapter should have a label indicating both input AC requirements and the DC output specifications. In this case, the output is 19 volts at 3.42 amps. The tolerance on this output is typically plus or minus 5%, giving us a range of roughly 18.5 to 19.5 volts DC. The bottom of the notebook should also have a label indicating its power requirements. Make sure the right adapter is being used. In this case, they both agree at 19 volts, 3.42 amps. We're going to need a digital voltmeter capable of reading 19 volts DC and then setting it to the DC voltage position. Prior to testing the AC-DC adapter, we'll make sure the AC power is removed. Next, we'll insert one of the meter leads into the DC connector's inner conductor. Still, with the AC power removed, the meter lead inserted on the inner conductor will plug in the AC adapter, attach the other meter lead to the outer conductor, making sure the meter is set for DC voltage. Now we're ready to apply AC power and take the reading. Again, we're looking for 19 volts plus or minus 5%. If the meter leads were reversed, we would get the same voltage, just opposite polarity. In this case, a minus 19.46 volts. A common area of failure is the wiring at the DC connector end. By manipulating the cable and observing the meter, you can make sure that there's no broken wiring. With the adapter readings good, the notebook should have powered on and the battery should have charged. A common area of failure on the notebook is the DC input jack. A failure at this point will prevent the notebook from powering on or charging the battery. In testing the AC-DC adapter, the voltage was either absent or it varied when we checked for broken wiring. It's probably time to replace the AC-DC adapter. Part 3 will discuss the repair and replacement options that are available to you at your local micro center.